Alright guys, what's going on? Time for a quick little maintenance video for the E39 M5. Today I'm going to be doing some coils on the M5. I went with the Bremmy brand. I know there's Bosch, I know there's OEM, and I know there's a bunch of other ones out there. But these ones were highly recommended, and I'm pretty sure they are used as the OEM plugs as well. So I thought that these were just fine. So the reason we are doing coils today is because I was getting 3 misfires in the past. That was really just on cold startup, and then it would be a little bit hesitant under a little bit more acceleration, so the engine would stumble a little bit, and I'm pretty sure it could have been because of the coils. I just did spark plugs, so go check that video out. But I'm going to be doing 3 coils today just to see if I can eliminate any hesitation that I know for sure that I replaced the 3 coils. I was thinking about doing all 8, but coils either work or they don't. It's not like there's one that's like half functioning or they kind of get old. When they get old, they either die or they continue to work. So that's the reason why I didn't think I needed to do all 8. You know, everyone has their preference, but I've been putting a lot of maintenance into this car recently, so I didn't want to buy 8 if I didn't need 8. So I'm gonna do 3 for now. All the misfires actually happen to be on the passenger side bank of the car, so I only have to take off one side, which is nice, make this project much quicker. All right, so I'll take this out just so you guys can kind of see what the Bremmy looks like. The Bremmy brand, it's very self-explanatory. It looks pretty much like any other coil, and it should fit right in there. All right, so first step is to just unscrew this bolt and also this bolt. Keep in mind that as long as you have a pivoting ratchet, you'll be just fine. These are 10 millimeters, by the way. And that's all it is, and that's all there is to it. I don't think there's necessarily a way to know if a coil is bad by looking at it. This is one of the ones that was misfiring, so we're going to swap it out for a new one. And you can see this actually does say Bremmy on it. I'll put a part number and a link in the description if you need that. And here is the new one. Alright, so same thing for the other 2 that I'm going to do. If you have to do the other side, then go ahead and do the other side. Close up the engine, and then I'm going to take it for a quick test drive. Alright. And guys, keep in mind this thing was running okay at idle after I had the plugs done, but under load it was a little hesitant, so we're gonna let it warm up and then go for a quick drive. So far so good. Of course I haven't really given it any gas, any significant amount of gas yet, so just under normal load, car seems to be doing just fine. Sweet, got a green light. Engine is warming up a little bit. Not gonna romp on it too hard. Seems to be fine. Everything's good. You know, time will tell if there's still an issue, but 4th downshift, let's go down to 3rd. Doesn't feel like any hesitation. It was a little hesitant before. Of course that could really be anything, but that's pretty much it, guys, for the test drive. 2nd gear pull at 40. Traction control. I think it's better. I think it's definitely better. It could be in my head, you know, as you do mods and you do maintenance, you sort of overthink it. But this thing definitely seems more smooth. It's actually it feels easier to drive. I don't know if it's maybe because I've been ragging on Porsches all weekend, I get in kind of a slow, chill car, and then all of a sudden it feels better. But I think that's gonna do it for the video, guys. Thank you again for watching. If you did notice, I still have my Old Man Wood shifter in here. I did a short shift kit. If you couldn't tell by the way I was shifting, the shifts are much shorter. Actually, I shouldn't say much shorter, but the next mod is going to be the F10 M5 shifter, which I am pretty sure will fit in here with some retrofitting that I have to do. I have to change the bracket. I have to remove the F10 M5 bracket and use this one, and then take this knob out, and it's a whole process. I did it on my M3, so stick around for that video if you are interested. I have a new clutch in this car, and I will go into detail on all that stuff. But thank you guys again for watching. I hope that this was informative, very basic maintenance and stuff, but I really think that this car needed those plugs done. Leave a comment below. If you're still watching this video, definitely leave a comment below on your thoughts on replacing the coils. So like I mentioned, my theory is either they're working or they're not. They don't really wear out and start to be less effective. They just stop working, right? And you get misfires or something like that. So if you think I should replace the rest of them, I replaced 3 today. I could replace the remaining ones. I don't have an engine light or anything like that, but maybe it would be good. You know, since I was under there, I could have done the rest of them, but you know, it's an extra cost, and you know, it's extra time. Ooh. That was another E39, and I almost hit him. Oh yeah, I think that's what this needed. But anyways, leave a comment below. Thank you again. See you guys next time.